Hey everyone, I'm back with another creative tutorial, and in this one, this will show you how to make a fire alarm system in your buildings for your maps. So first, let's have a look at the devices that you're going to need for this fire alarm. So first of all, get the switch. You're going to need the customizable light right here, and then you're going to need the speaker device, which will play the audio for the actual alarm itself. So now that you have these three devices, go ahead and place all three. Now open the settings for the switch device and change these settings. Enable on game start to yes, initial state to off, visible during game yes. Turn off text to fire alarm, or turn on text. Turn off text to end, or whatever you want. Toggle switch, sound enabled, interact time 1 second, infinite. None of these you really have to change too much. Interaction radius, you can change that. I put 0.25. But after you've done those settings, scroll down to when turned on, transmit on channel 1. When turned off, transmit on channel 2, or whatever your free channels are in your map. But in case you didn't catch it, here's the settings you need to change. Fire alarm, end toggle switch, 1 second, 0.25 meters, channel 1 and channel 2. Now open these settings for the customizable light. Feel free to pause the video to read all of these. Light intensity 5, initial states off, rhythm to flash. You can choose if it casts shadows or not, but just change the channels, and yeah. Now with the speaker, change audio selection to Halloween Scare 2, volume to very loud, activate when receiving from channel 1. So if you go to the first tab, you basically are just changing all these settings except for activate on hits. Now grab the switch device and place it wherever you want in the building, where you want the fire alarm itself to be, where you pull it down. So just want to show you that there's different options for what you can choose. For the switch, I like the look of it, but I think that the best look for this is the toggle switch. It looks more like the fire alarm itself, so, but you can choose really whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's still the same device, so just place on the wall somewhere, or wherever you want, I don't know, place on the ceiling. So grab this customizable light, place it everywhere in the house. This is going to be the flash that goes off from like the smoke detectors or whatever you want it to be. So just place that everywhere. You can make the light green too if you want, but I chose white because it just makes more sense. Just a flash. Put the speaker inside the house, and then start the game. So now, just gonna go up these stairs real quick and press the fire alarm, and you'll see what happens. So that sound, there is a way to make the sound last forever actually, but you need extra devices and stuff. If you want the very advanced sound for this, where the sound continues going on until you turn it off, I can do that, but just comment below if you want that or not, so I know if I need to make it or not. So yeah, when you turn it off, the flash goes off, turn it back on, the sound goes off again, and the flash goes back on. So yeah, that's basically the end of this tutorial. I really hope you found this helpful, because I've not made a tutorial in a while, and I'm hoping that this one was at least good enough. But yeah, so hope this was helpful, and adios.